Well guys, had an absolute blast ripping this 2021 KX250XC around a Tornado today. A little bit grimy, a little bit muddy, little water holes, but most of the trail was prime. So awesome. They were out there working on it right now. So thanks to Hatfield McCoy Tornado. Thanks to Justin Elliott for letting me rip this thing. Overall, what do I think about it? Can you, as a 38-year-old, 220-pound dad, have fun on this bike? The answer is absolutely yes. And if you're closer to beginner level, you're gonna have even more fun on it. If you want to do all kinds of different riding, maybe GPs, GNCCs, quad trail, play with the family, and you're gonna occasionally do some gnarly single track, it's okay. It's gonna get you through that, no problem. Especially if you set up with a very good, maybe a tubeless system on the back and a cheater tire, or maybe you, I think if I owned one of these, I think I'd have two rear wheels. I think I'd have one set up with, you know, a tubeless system with a cheater, big, heavy, soft cheater tire for days I was going to ride gnarly single track. And then I think I'd have another one set up with a motocross, a soft motocross tire for GPs, GNCCs, that kind of stuff. That's really going to help you. Tire selection is going to be incredibly important on this. Suspension, I don't think you're going to have to do anything to it. 250s are normally sprung for 165 pounds. I'm 220. It had plenty enough hold up for me. It didn't blow through the stroke in ravines. It didn't bottom out over small jumps that I would hit on the trail, but it still feels plush. It's kind of mind-blowing that it felt this good for me being 220. Clutch is great. Bike feels super skinny in here, which you can see. This is where I was, you know, holding onto the bike with my legs and rubbing it and stuff. Bike feels super skinny. Love that. Things I don't like about it, man, there's one thing that screams out at me. The thing that I hate most about this motorcycle is this stupid exhaust. This thing just screams at you. Even, I mean, that's expected when you're riding motocross or stuff, but when you're just cruising single track, I'm telling you, you don't have to crank on this thing hard. You barely open up this throttle and that thing just annoys the hell out of you. I'd really be interested to see at a Q4 or what the most quiet exhaust you could get for this thing is, because this thing just sounds awful and it's loud doing it. That's really the only bad thing I could even say about the entire motorcycle. Everything else I feel comfortable with. All right guys, well that wraps up the testing today. If you're interested in this machine, definitely hit subscribe, because I've got like 7 or 8 videos riding this thing plus an oil change video. So yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Links down below. See you in the next one.